Merry Christmas and hello everyone, I'm Steve and this is my good friend Josh.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Oh no, Steve. I just remembered I have an emergency dentist appointment that I have to be at. Man. Well, sorry I can't help you with this Christmas thing. Maybe I'll see you around a little later.
Okay, that was weird. You know, actually, we have a really amazing Christmas service that I would love to invite you to. You know, Christmas is a wonderful time to come to church with family and friends.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Hello, Stevie!
What's up, Josh?
What? Josh? Who's this Josh fella you speak of? I am Santa Claus!
Oh, hey, Santa, what brings you here?
I've come all the way down from the North Pole to invite one and all to the Christmas service.
Nice, well thank you. So you come to service?
Absolutely, I go to the service. I know December's a busy month for me with all delivering gifts and making gifts, but I always remember the real reason for the season, and it ain't me. Hey, Steve.
Yeah.
I got a gift for you.
Really, thank you.
Yeah, I didn't have time to wrap it, but
Wow.
you'll like it.
Thanks, Santa. What I've always wanted.
A picture of me that I signed, just for you, buddy.
Yeah. Thank you.
Well, I do have to get going. I left the reindeer parked in a loading zone. But I want to remind all of you to come on out to the Christmas service. It is the most wonderful time of the year. Now I must be going on Dasher! Yeah!
Well, okay, like Santa said, come on out and it's gonna be a great time.
Hey, Steve. Just got done with my emergency dentist appointment. I heard Santa might have stopped by.
He stopped by.
Wow, and I missed him. That's so crazy. What are the odds? But you know what? I might see him at the Christmas service. I hear he never misses.
We'll see you at the Christmas service.
Is that a signed copy of a Santa photo?
It is.
So lucky.
Merry Christmas.
It says all the best? Wow.